Hey everyone, this is Rajendran here from OpenAlgo, and in this video we're going to learn about how to use the latest OpenAlgo Sandbox features, right? And how you can test your trading strategies. That is what we're going to learn about that. So first let me go to OpenAlgo, right? So here's my OpenAlgo, and then I logged into OpenAlgo. I'm in the analyzer mode, right? So once you switch back to the analyze mode, you will be getting an information saying that analyzer sandbox mode is only for testing purpose only, right? It is not for any other purpose. So I'm gonna go and check out the recent orders which I had punched. So these are like all are like test orders, which I can see it in my order book, trade book, and position book. And I can also see this if any orders which are getting carry forwarded, any delivery which is getting carry forwarded, the very next day you will be able to see this in the holding section as well, right? And not just that, you can also able to set the configuration. You can set the capital, and then so the entire capital will always reset every Sunday, and you can also set the reset timings as well. And you can also manage the leverage among MIS, CNC, delivery orders and futures and option buying, option selling leverage. You can control it from here. You can also able to control the square of time in the test environments, and by default any orders that you are sending, any limit orders or stop loss limit orders, if you are sending, the order will be checking whether the price has been crossing that level or not, whether the order got executed or not. Every 5 minutes once it will be checked, and the M2M update also will be happening every 5 minutes once. Right? Let me go and punch a small order over here. So I'm going to use Bruno for it, right? I'm going to send an order in let's say TCS. So TCS is where I'm going to send an order. It's going to be an MIS order. So the order gets punched. So I should be able to see it in the order book, right? So TCS, and correspondingly the margin also will get blocked. And if I'm gonna check out, I'll be able to check out the open positions as well, right? So let me also try to tell you, like whenever the order is getting placed, it will not be using the LTP, it will be using the bid and ask. If in case the bid and ask is 0, probably sometimes after market hours it may go to 0. So in that case it will be taken as LTP, and orders can be punched anytime except the MAS order. If you want to punch an MAS order, MAS orders are allowed only from 9 o'clock till the square of time. So after the square of time, MAS orders are not allowed, right? And any positions which are in CNC, let's say right now there is no CNC. Let me go and punch a CNC order as well. So CNC is like cash and carry. Let's say Infi. I'm going to punch an order over here. If I'm going to punch an order in CNC, the order appears in the trading positions, and the same thing will be moved to holdings by midnight, right? So that is what it happens. It works on the same T+1 settlement process. And no matter what, all the data will be erased by when the weekend is nearing, Sunday midnight. Every data will get erased, and every week will be starting with a fresh week. And including the order book and position book. So order book, trade book, everywhere the data will be filtered out for the next day. So next day you will be always seeing an fresh order book, fresh trade book, so that order book and trade book always maintains only that particular day's position. And position book will be carry forwarding only which is in NRML, because MAS orders will be squared off the same day. CNC order will be moved to the holdings the next day. So only NRML will be carry forwarded. So whatever the NRML which has been carry forwarded, you will be able to see in the position book. Otherwise, order book and trade book always shows only the same day's positions only. And when it comes to the dashboard, right? So unrealized P&L and realized P&L will be reflected. That will be reflecting only the intraday's M2M only, not the positional M2M, right? And yeah, so that is how the OpenAlgo Sandbox tool works. And the best part is you can test your strategies before going live. Any strategies, any order that you are placing, it will be captured in the AP analyzer. So you can go and test for if there is any issues are there or not in your orders. You can go and check it out. You can validate it. If it is valid, that means it will be working, or it should be working in the live environment as well. So it is like your own private full stack OpenAlgo Sandbox for testing environment, purely for testing your algorithmic trading strategies. So let me know how it works for you, right? So see you in an another video. Thank you. Bye bye.